Welcome guys to all of you on my YouTube channel. Gadget World. I am here with cool and awesome gadgets for you. You must like all these gadgets. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then must subscribe it. And also like the video. You can also buy these all gadgets from Amazon and other online stores. Let's guys go to the first gadget of today without wasting 1 second. Cyberpunk gravity sensing technology. This is amazing technology for desktop decoration. This gadget is awesome. Meter clock. In this small beads falls down one by one, but when you shake it well it falls collectively. It is best gift for your family. It look awesome while keeping on gaming desk. It enhance charming and beauty of your living room. Luminous push slider. This is cool luminous push slider with light inside it. Its style is brilliant. It is made of anti-corrosion material. It has different color. You can choose your favorite color from all of them. It is easily adjustable without disassembling the machine. You can easily and freely change the luminous tube. With different lights it can easily pushed up and down. It is lightweight and portable. You can carry it with you where you want to go. It give you relief from mental stress. It can be a nice gift. PC gaming headphone stand. It is perfect stand for your headphones. It has 360-degree rotation. It not take extra space. It is easy to assemble and look awesome while attach your gaming desk. It is made of strong material. It is portable. You carry it with you. You can also use this headphone stand in your living room, office room, gaming room and bedroom. Can attach to desk with different styles and designs. It is black and silver, available in 2 different colors. You can recommend this headphone stand to your friend which is gamer. 5-in-1 multifunctional electric cleaning brush. Waterproof electric handheld sink, bathroom, kitchen tile clean brushes. Washing tool drill brush set with 5 heads. Used in different scenarios: kitchen, bathroom and wireless restraint. Whole body waterproof, easy to use. It can easily chargeable so you can use it again and again. It can clean all stubborn stains. It can start with 1 click. It has battery so you can use it long lasting. 3D Atomized Fireplace. The atomizing fireplace uses water vapor as the medium, so it will increase the indoor air humidity and purify the air. It can also turn on the drying mode in humid weather to help remove the damp and odor at home. Water vapor fireplace is a 100% eco-friendly design fireplace that consume only pure water. The ultrasonic function of the atomization device converts pure water into extremely fine particles. Water vapor fireplace consume pure water only, so it has no risk of fire. As slow the flames can be touched and won't bring any danger to children or pets. It is a 100% fire risk-free fireplace. Water vapor fireplace is function of automatic water in and out. When the water is full, it will automatically stop the water, fill in and start to work. When the water is not enough, it will automatically stop working. The working time can set remote. It used to decor home, hotels, parlors, office and living room decoration. A variety of color option. You can choose your favorite one. Motorcycle phone holder. The main body of this motorcycle phone mount is made of high-strength material with built-in high-quality stainless steel telescopic rods. Protect your phone camera. Update design to make the no-block camera. Doesn't block the phone's camera. Support photo shooting and video recording and cycling. The special structure of this motorcycle phone mount can tightly wrap your smartphone. After putting your phone in, tighten the knob on the back of this motorcycle phone mount. Make sure your mobile phone is securely attached to the motorcycle phone holder even when riding at high speed on bumpy roads. The double socket arm and handlebar mounting base are equipped with special safety screw. This design keeps your phone holder from being easily removed. The body size of the motorcycle phone holder can be adjusted according to the size of your phone. This cell phone mount easy to attach to handlebars, suitable for installation on bike, bicycle, motorcycle, e-bike, stroller, dirt bike, road bike, golf cart, electric scooter. Bunny night lights. Super cute rabbit style free washable silicone gives a pleasantly soft touch. Is your best gift idea for lover children. No manual switch, just one remote or a touch to switch or dim the light. Even a baby can play with touch lights very well. Nursery light. Designed for children, provides a relaxing glow for soothing babies. It has a battery which can use up to 200 hours in low brightness and 8 hours in high brightness with soft light. It works as a baby guardian all night long. Light color is adjustable between cool white and warm in color. LED light won't hurt the eyes of your child. Handheld size and eco-friendly design make it a perfect bedroom study. Baby room night decor as well as a fabulous gift idea, especially for kids, girls and ladies. Motorcycle handlebar and LED turn signal light. This turn signal light is small in size and lightweight, easy to carry. It can be easily put into a backpack or handbag when not in use. Made of high-quality ABS plastic material, which is durable and not easy to break. The handlebar end light can be used for a long time. This turn signal light is suitable for motorcycles, scooters, bicycles, etc. Can also be used as a night light to illuminate the front wheel of the vehicle. It gives multiple color lights for use. It can also use to decorate your bike, cycle and scooters. Sweeping robot fully automatic. Powerful shark suction picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, tackling even the toughest of messes in your home. With matrix clean navigation, the vacuum cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for whole home. Deep cleaning coverage vision quickly and accurately maps your home so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to everyday changes in the home. With powerful vacuum suction, shark self-cleaning brush roll, and filtration system, the robot captures pet hair, dust and allergens with ease. When a carpet is detected, it will automatically increase its suction to the maximum for deep cleaning. Its body is thin so it can clean the floor under the bed, sofas and shelves. It has largest capacity of garbage bag. Drain basket kitchen sink holder. Rubber material, good flexibility, easy to clean, can be used in kitchen and bathroom. The drain hole design at the bottom keeps it dry, clean and hygienic. Adjustable buckle design, easy to disassemble. This is a quality kitchen utensils double sink drain bag storage supplies hanging basket drain rack. It prevents water accumulation, is ventilated and dry, and is not easy to fall. It can hold lot of things of kitchen and washroom using things. Foldable trash bin. Effortless waste disposal with a touchless kitchen trash clean. Foldable trash bin design saves valuable kitchen space. Perfect for small areas. Hangable and portable. This trash can fit on doors, drawers, or ground, adapting to various settings. This trash can withstand daily use in the kitchen. When you're cooking fresh food, slicing and peeling things, you don't need to open and close cabinet door constantly with your wet hands, compared to the trash bin under the sink. Widely used in kitchens, living rooms, bedroom, cars, office, etc. It is made of hard material. Plasma ball lamp. If your child is the curious type that is always in search of science things, then this plasma ball is perfect for him. The secrets of plasma in a way that's larger than life and completely safe. There are red, blue and green to choose. I believe you will like every color. You'll amaze your friends and create a special to any room of the house. This plasma ball is a great decor for your bedroom, living room, office, or anywhere else. It'll create a super cool science-like atmosphere. The magic plasma light will spark kids' curiosity, bring children's scientific fantasies to real life. Plasma ball is perfect gifts for your kids on birthday and all festivals. The plasma ball can easily be moved to create an awesome atmosphere everybody will love. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon, you will get the notification of new video. Also like the video and share this video to your friends. Tell me in comment, which gadget do you like the most?